welcome to Essence Homestead. We are out in the greenhouse hiding from the sleet, working on the last of our fall projects, trying to get flower pots and things cleaned up from the yard and put away for the season. So later in the video I'll take you inside and I'm going to show everyone how to cut their own pothos cuttings and root them, and if you do it now, if you have a pothos plant, they should be ready to give as gifts come Christmas time. Inside the house now where it's warmer. We are going to show you how to cut up some pothos, and I've got my help with me for our first YouTube video together. So pothos makes a really good plant to have inside. It's very hard to kill. I am a closet houseplant murderer is what I say, because I grow a huge garden and keep so many plants alive, but I can never keep houseplants alive until I got this pothos. They try to clone themselves and they just keep growing and growing. We go to the zoo, Como Park Zoo and Conservatory in St. Paul, I believe it is. And we go there in the wintertime to see their big greenhouses and soak up some humidity. And they have huge pothos that are just, they climb the entire walls. So each leaf has a node underneath that will grow a new root. So all you have to do is, I'm going to cut off an end. This is life with toddlers, is they strip all the leaves off the end, which is fine. This plant can handle it. So everywhere where you clip off a stem, you could put these in a jar of water, and everywhere there is a node will sprout new roots and a whole new plant will start growing. So we can snip off a few of these. You can do them so that they have just one leaf or a couple. I usually try to get them so they have 2 or 3 leaves on them already, and that way it's just a bigger plant when you go to pot them up for friends. So once you have snipped off the ends of your big pothos plant, you can have them in a bunch. I like to line up the first node on here, on the first leaf, so that they're all in a group together, so that when you put them in a cup of water, the very first one is always underwater. You just want to make sure to give it fresh water. I usually neglect mine, so it'll be in the same water for a couple of weeks. And just leave it like that, and soon that root, that node will pop out and we'll start to get a new root. And once they get a little bit longer, we have a whole pot of them ready. So this is, I think this has been a month or so that they've been in here. And the roots are already this long coming out of these nodes. So once you have some roots like this, you can go ahead and pot them up and put them in a small terracotta pot or anything that you have. And you can put several of them in if you want a bigger plant that kind of takes off like this. And then you can give them to your friends at Christmas in a month. So once you have your jar full, you can just set it on a counter and forget about it for a while until those roots pop out.